Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a crochet bucket hat. This hat is a super easy project and it can be completed in like an hour or less. It's also a good beginner project for if you're starting off with crochet and you just want to learn something quick and easy. This is also a good project for that. All the details regarding this hat will be down in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. For this video, I'll be using these 4 colors of yarn, and the size of yarn that I'll be using is weight 4. I'm also going to be using a 4mm crochet hook today, as well as a pair of scissors. Feel free to use any color or any size you want. Just make sure the size of the yarn that you're using corresponds with the hook that you're using. So we're going to start with the project. To start, you're going to make a magic circle. And you're going to chain 3. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. And you're going to chain 1 more for a space. So that's 4 chains in total. Now you're going to place a double crochet into the magic ring. Chain 1, place another double crochet into the magic ring. And you're just going to keep repeating chain 1 and double crochet until you have 10 double crochet stitches, including the chain 3. So once you're done your double crochet with 1 chain space, you're going to tie that center just so it's closed, and then you're going to make a slip stitch into that 3rd chain that we made earlier. So just insert your hook and make a slip stitch. And then you're just going to chain 1, and then you're going to cut off the yarn because we're going to make a color change. So we're just going to pull through that stitch because we're done with it, and we're just going to attach a new color. So into any of those spaces, you're going to insert your hook and yarn over, pull through, and then chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to make another double crochet into that same space. So in every single chain space around, you're going to place 2 double crochets. So 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet into that same space. And you're just gonna go do this all around until you're at the start of the circle. So I have 10 of those 2 double crochets. Now I'm just going to slip stitch into that 3rd chain that we made earlier. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to cut off this extra yarn. So you're going to attach your new color. And make sure you're attaching into those spaces right there. So you're going to chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. And you're going to make 2 more double crochets into that same space. And then moving on to each space, you're gonna chain. You're gonna make 3 double crochets. And you're gonna do this all around. So you're going to slip stitch into that chain 3, chain 1, and then you're gonna cut off that excess because we don't need it. pull through, and we're going to attach our new color. So you're going to attach, chain 3, one, two, three, and then you're going to insert a double crochet into that same space. Then you're going to find the middle stitch of the previous stitch, and then you're going to make 2 double crochets inside of that stitch, and make another one. So in the next space, you're going to double crochet 2 times. Then in the previous stitch, you're going to find the middle and double crochet twice as well. The next one, the next space, double crochet 2 times, and then in the middle stitch, double crochet twice as well. And you're just going to keep repeating this process until you get to the last stitch. So I'm going to start row 5. I'm going to start row 5 now, and I'm just going to attach the yarn. By the way, you should have 20 of these stitches peeking out for row 4, but for row 5 you want to look and find one of those spaces and attach your yarn. And then you're going to chain 3, and you're going to make 2 more double crochets into that space. By the way, chain 3 counts as a double crochet. This means we have 3 double crochets in that space. And then moving on forward, we're going to make 3 double crochets into every space. And then you're just going to repeat this until you get to the start of the row. So in that next space, 3 double crochets. So I'm gonna meet you guys once I'm done with this row. So I'm just gonna measure it just to gauge, and mine is about 5 inches long on both sides. So that's it for the top of the hat. We're going to start making the body of the hat. I'm gonna start row 6, and I'm just gonna attach my new color. Basically for row 6, this will be the body of the hats from 6 to 15. That's for 10 rows. We're not going to do any increasing. We're just going to keep inserting 3 double crochets into those little spaces. So I'm just going to show you. Just attach that, and then chain 3, and then create 2 more double crochets into that same space. And then in the next space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. And then in the next space, 3 double crochets. And you're going to be doing that all the way till you get to the last stitch. And you're also going to be doing this all the way to get to row number 15. You're going to be doing this for 10 rows. I have 15 rows, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And just to measure and just to check the gauge, it's going to be about 9 inches long and 6 inches tall. So I'm now going to start the brim of my hat. So just go ahead and attach the new color and we can start from there. Just chain 3. So after chaining 3, you're going to insert a double crochet into that same space. And then in that in the middle of the previous stitch, you're going to insert 2 double crochets. So this round is basically just the increase round, and this is row 16, by the way. So in that next space, you're going to insert 2 double crochets. And then in the previous stitch, you're going to find the middle stitch and insert 2 double crochets in there. And we're going to keep doing this all the way till we get back to the starting point of this row. For row number 17, I'm going to attach a new color, chain 3, and then I'm going to insert 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. And I'm going to insert 3 double crochets into the next space. And then I'm just going to keep inserting 3 double crochets into each space until I get to the starting point of the row. So the brim of the hat measures about 12 inches. The body measures about 9, and then the top measures about like what, 4 inches. But yeah, this is the finished product of the hat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.